AMP is an engineering design and manufacturing solutions provider. So while our core focus is mainly on manufacturing education, we're also resellers for various products such as Solidworks, 3D Experience and Mastercam.
These are the students right here at AMP. How do you guys find out about AMP?
Alright, me, it's I got it from LinkedIn. Yeah, the AMP. I just came to this opportunity which I wanted to do it a long time ago. Then I got onto it.
Oh, I've learned so many things, a lot of things. Like these machines, for sensing machines, like how to operate it, how to program, so many things.
So what are we doing here?
Here we're practicing our skills on this machine. It's called the lathe machine. So it's part of our training.
With our focus being on education, we bring our clients' operators into our environment and teach them what is best practices in industry. So it's all good and well to learn about software and how to use the software, but at the end of the day, the software needs to be bridged into the actual manufacturing facility where the real parts gets made. And that is the big thing that sets us apart, is the fact that we take somebody from knowing nothing all the way through the designing process into the manufacturing process, and give them the opportunity to work on real machines and get real life experience. So Friday Braai, the reason why we started it is to open up and give people a platform to start having a conversation with regards to unemployment in South Africa.
We've had a lot of training from AMP. Solidworks, we're about 4 people that did a week's training so far, and we still have about 4 weeks left to do. We had good feedback from the shop floor.
We've done a lot of deals together. The guys have recently bought a laser cutter. We're doing some installs next week on the software, so very exciting times coming ahead.
Now we're going to talk about your customers. How important is it for them to have training in order for them to use your product?
It's beyond vital. The problem is people think that just because somebody is good on paper, they know exactly what they're doing, but they don't know what the application is, they don't know what industry they're working into, so they might have the qualification. But training needs to go. Training is an ongoing thing. It needs to continue throughout the person's career.
It takes two to build a family. It starts with you, the customer, and obviously the AMP family. Thank you for joining us on these episodes. It's been an amazing journey. You saw the students' journeys. They told you their stories. Now we want you to get involved. It's quite very simple. All you have to do is check out the website www.ampcadcam.com. We will see you in 2023 for another exciting season of Friday Braai. From our side right here at the AMP family, have yourself a beautiful one. Cheers.